Tensions were high this afternoon after a Keweenaw Bay Indian Community Tribal Court hearing. It was regarding a civil lawsuit against the Tribal Council after a public referendum passed to buy the Baraga Lakeside Inn to house their new casino. What happened after court adjourned has some KBIC elected officials worried, as two tribal judges were informed via text message that they were suspended from their duties. TV6's Houghton Hancock Bureau reporter Sarah Blakely was at today's hearing and has more.
Plans for the new KBIC casino in Baraga County could be delayed following a lawsuit against Tribal Council President Donald Shalafo and Treasurer Eddie Edwards, filed by former KBIC President Fred Dakota. Dakota contended that the public referendum held on August 2nd was unconstitutional, stating that there was perceived intimidation to approve the purchase, and it should have been a private ballot. At the hearing this afternoon, Shalafo and Edwards' attorney filed to dismiss the case altogether, citing Dakota had no proof that the council couldn't hold a public ballot.
The problem is they believe there's no law on point into conducting a public referendum, so therefore it turns into a political question, and therefore it's not justiciable by the court. Therefore the plaintiff nor the court has any jurisdiction to tell the council on how to implement a constitutional doctrine that's delegated to tribal council.
Though the case is currently scheduled for another pretrial hearing Tuesday, September 2nd, during the hearing today, from which Shalafo and Edwards were absent and not required to attend, Chief Judge Bradley Dakota, Fred Dakota's son, received a slew of text messages from Shalafo stating he and Associate Judge Violet Ayers, the presiding judge at the hearing, were suspended from their duties.
I've been told that if we're on court property that we're trespassing by him now, but I was elected by the people of this government to conduct law and order on this reservation, and I will continue to do so.
"I'm not playing your games," wrote Shalafo, "and you were elected to uphold the Constitution." Judge Dakota says he's confused what Shalafo's reasoning behind the suspension is and says one was never given.
I just feel that the Tribal Council president has no respect for our court system and is choosing to make up his own law. I don't think you can just turn 40 years of law on its ear because you don't want to follow it.
And if Dakota's and Ayers' suspension pans out, the hearing could also be delayed along with the financial and planning decisions on the new casino. President Shalafo was unavailable for comment on the matter at this time. However, TV6 will continue to follow this case as it progresses. Sarah Blakely, TV6 News, Baraga.